I need to pray because I don't know how many people want to sleep with me.
We need to shade this big bag. Ganja planta, I'm joking, chicken wings. And I have not drunk the candy, it's on tonight. Well, hello there, my loves. How you doing? Why do I look so bloated and so fat in this? Anyway, my friend convinced me to do alternate day fasting. I started by doing 1 meal a day, but when the weekends come, I give myself a day off, and that day off turns into 3 days off. If you watch the previous video, that weekend became a 3-day weekend, but now we are back with alternate day fasting. It's my third day technically. It's Wednesday. I had my last meal on Monday at 10:30, and yesterday I did not eat at all. It's basically fasting for 36 hours and eating for 12 hours. Now, I have binge eating tendencies, and because of these binge eating tendencies, I keep telling myself, oh my gosh, it's the last day, I'm going to start again tomorrow, oh, I'm going to take a break this day. And those days where I take a break, I eat like a crazy person. The day before I started alternate day fasting, I ate, and when I weighed myself, bro, yesterday, I was so heavy. We need to shade this big bag. It's feeding day, so I'm making my well, it's not my first meal of the day. The first meal of the day was a smoothie. Spinach. We need a lot of greens. Half a banana. Strawberries. Plain yogurt. Last but not least, peanut butter. More water. I've been fasting for 37 hours and fast. Feels so good to eat. In all honesty, the smoothie is not as wow as I thought it would be. See you at lunch. I told myself that I was going to do alternate day fasting and 1 meal a day combined, which is basically restricting myself. I would have had to fast every other day, and then on the day that I eat, I only eat 1 meal. It's a little bit too drastic, especially right now in the beginning. So I told myself it's fine. You can eat other things. So yeah, let's make lunch. The tuna is very spicy. That's why we didn't add anything to it. Cheers. That's so good. That's so refreshing. I'm trying to put in as much protein and fiber as possible because those two things keep you fuller for longer, and considering I'm not eating much, the protein is going to help prepare and build muscle, so I'm packing up on those proteins. But on that note, for everyone that wants to do alternate day fasting and was thinking like me, saying that, oh, maybe if I do 1 meal a day during my eating window, I'm going to lose weight faster. Will you lose weight faster? Yes. Is it sustainable? Probably not. And I'm trying so hard to fight that voice inside my head that's telling me to do 1 meal a day. It's already my second meal, so that's fine, but I'm trying to keep it as healthy as possible. Although I do want some ice cream, and I do have some ice cream. We'll see if we'll have that. I think it will be easier to eat when it's closed. It's massive. Whoa. Should we cut it? Yes, we should.
Why was I crying in the middle of the mall? You guys have no idea, but like...
I'm so freaking full. I have to edit a bunch of videos, so I hope I don't doze off while doing that, but I will see in the next meal. Oh, by the way, before I go, I just realized that everything I've eaten today is getting out of my system. I don't know if it's because I ate greens first in the morning. All I know is that I did number 2 after the smoothie, and now I haven't even put my plate away. I don't know what that is all about, but yeah. Yalla, let me go edit. Let's go pick some tomatoes from my tomato plant. These are the tomatoes. The green bell peppers are still coming. I don't have any bell peppers, just flowers. This is how much you got today, and now I'm going to have it in my salad. C'est bon ça. I'm a farmer. Ganja planta. I'm joking. Olive oil, salt, pepper, white rice vinegar, and some honey. I'm too tired to function. I've been editing all afternoon. This is my second video to upload. The goal is to upload about 5 videos, but with procrastination, being my own manager, reaching out to brands, being the content creator, everything, but things take time. Anyway, for dinner we're having chicken wings and a quinoa salad. I thought I'd make a green salad too, but ain't nobody got time. At least I'm eating whole foods. I'm picking my battles today. I haven't had a quinoa salad in so long and I feel like I've been missing out. I'm bumping to music in my head. One thing I've been struggling with is my water intake. I noticed that today, because I'm not eating, of course I need to drink water and hydrate, bro. I'm not. So now I'm being more mindful about that. Dessert. It's 10:30. I'm going to be editing until about midnight. I didn't want to have this, but I haven't eaten enough. One thing I learned when I was doing research is I have to eat enough for 2 days. I don't think I've eaten enough for 2 days. I put everything I've eaten in my fitness pal, and I've only eaten 222 calories over for a day, not even 2 days. How do people fit in food for 2 days in 12 hours? I don't know. Let's see how many hours I've been eating. Oh my gosh, I need to check that too. Oh, 10 hours. When I'm done with this, I'm done. At least I didn't starve myself because I was planning to. How would that have been enough, Sheila? How? Anyway, dessert. It's 10:42. I'm going to start my fast right now.
The next day.
Let's cook this one. Got that size, boy.
Today we are on day 9 of the 1-month Pilates plan. Everyone's doing amazing, so proud of all of us.
I don't think there's comparing, and I'd like to build a life that I don't mind sharing. Let's go. Let me be transparent, but baby, it's apparent. You can tell by how I'm staring that I'm thinking thoughts that's blaring. Be a mighty fine parent. I don't think there's comparing, and I'd like to build a life that I don't mind sharing. Let's go.
Great job today, besties. We are on day 9. That's so huge. I will see you on day 10 tomorrow.
That was a good workout. For workouts, what I'm currently doing is taking 30 to 40 minute walks, and then I do Pilates at home. I found this girl called Madeline Abet. She has a 25-day workout, which is like a monthly workout, and then on the weekends you take a break type shit. That is what I'm currently doing. I'm keeping it very light. Also, I don't know if you know, well, if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know this by now. I've been in the phase of my life where I hate working out. For a person who used to love working out, and working out was a thing that I do all the time, right now I totally hate it, and I have not drunk a single sip of water today, bro. It's 4:54 and I've been fasting for 18 hours. That is crazy. Today is a fasting day and there is nothing much to share other than the fact that actually, let me get up. I'm going out this weekend, and because I'm going out, I'm like, damn, it's so crazy that every time you get back your life on track, you have something happening. So now this weekend I have a girls' night out. I have not gone clubbing this whole summer, to be honest. And I think about it, I think I told myself every weekend, oh, I'm going to be 2 kilos lighter and I'll go next weekend. I just never did. So my girls and I are going out on Saturday night, but my cousin is also coming this weekend, and she's like, oh Sheila, do you want to do brunch? But then I'm like, tomorrow is a feeding day. If I go out on Saturday night, I can't go out on Sunday as well. I'm killing everything. By the way, I did some research and they did say you can drink while alternate day fasting. I'm saying this because we might have a few shots here and there. So I don't know what I'm going to do about Saturday because my feeding day is Friday and now I'm like, should I fast for 48 hours? That would be crazy. It's not like I've never done it before. I have, but I'm like, anyway, we'll see what I do. For now, that's where we're at. I will see you when I see you. Wow, my lips are glistening at 10:23. I came to say I'm so freaking hungry. I'm so freaking hungry and I just realized that I have not drunk water today. I think the last time I drank... I don't want to flash you. The last time I drank water was in the morning after my workout. That's crazy. Don't forget to hydrate. So, you know what happened after yesterday's dilemma? I decided to eat yesterday. I didn't eat much and we're eating today again. Wait, is this hot? I will go back to fasting tomorrow, but the party is on tonight. I just wanted to tell you the solution for my my first world problems. We're eating meat. You know what masavu is, you guys? It's fats. But we need healthy fats. Vlog, we outside! We are supposed to be at my friend's for pre-drinks, but we are 1 hour.
Did you hear her?
Wait, I don't know what she said. What did she say?
Guys, she's like, I need to pray because I don't know how many people want to sleep with me. I need to pray. She's like, I don't know how many people want to fuck with me. She's like, what? I need to pray.
Anyway, shit.
Actually,
What's up?
You just want to have me in the bed, so let me focus, okay?
Okay, listen. We are 1 hour and 15 minutes late, and this is a conversation we're having right now.
Yeah, because we don't know who wants to talk with us, so let's pray.
Should I call the Uber now?
Yes.
Yes, please. We are late, you guys. Yeah. And I forgot to buy the snacks, and I'm also late, you guys.
Girls, please, just wear space in the back, please.
What do you need?
I need someone to bring my camera in the
Let me
back.
see if I can keep your camera.
But do you think it's a good idea for me to bring my
I
camera?
don't think it's a good idea.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave it.
Cheers!
why is it different?
Alright, go, man. Goddamn. So listen, your brother.
By the way, you need to all watch my vlogs because you're all in my vlogs.
What? I watch you too long. I watch you too long.
Hey, I guess it's my turn. Maybe on your cyber.
You look 16 to me.
I'm fucking 36 plus 20. Are you joking?
Alright, that's okay. He's like, look at me.
Like the pressure, backwards or push right?
Yeah, okay. Can I try like 2 seconds?
Yeah, of course.
Please. Wait.
Yeah.
What do I do?
So, oh yeah. Okay. So pull your bumper like pressure and your push off. Just push. Just push.
I can't do it.
Okay, stand on the board. I can push you from the whole block.
Stand on the board.
No worries.
It's a dumbass.
It's 3:22. We don't have food. I have to fast tomorrow. So, I made a sandwich. It's burned. Oh, I should make the smoothie, yeah? This is ancient grain bread. I don't know what that means. But it has 4 grams of fiber, 48 grams of whole grain, and like 10 grams of protein. I added like 2 eggs for each of us, and now I'm going to make a smoothie for us, and then I'm going to fast after this. So that means I'll have to break my fast at 4 p.m. tomorrow on Monday.
Several long days later.
Oh my goodness, I ditched you guys. It's Wednesday, but I need to wrap this video up, and so far so good. I believe it's officially been 10 days since I've been alternate day fasting. Please, I know my nose are hideous, and I know if I didn't mention it you wouldn't have seen them, but now I'm like, damn, look. Anyway, today is a fasting day for me, and one of the things I'm enjoying during my fasting days is that I have more time I tend to procrastinate so much, and one of the things I'm doing while procrastinating is eating. Now, I have no excuse but to put in the work. I've been so productive this period, and I'm actually very grateful for that. However, on the other side, I did not like the fact that I'm having sleepless nights. Last week, bro, I could not sleep. I was sleeping at around 4. I don't know if it has anything to do with fasting, but yeah. Also, I wasn't gardening, but that's a story for another day. What happens when you intermittent fast? A lot of people have been asking me if this is safe for me, especially on TikTok, and I'm like, I've transitioned from intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, and now I'm doing alternate day fasting. I know 1 meal a day and alternate day fasting is a kind of intermittent fasting, but you know what I mean, you know, like fasting 16 hours and eating 8 hours type shit. And when you're overweight, one thing you need to realize is that you have a lot of stored fat, and that stored fat can act as energy for your body. So when you don't eat, your body goes through phases. Fasting tracker that I use on my phone goes from anabolic, catabolic, fat burning. After 24 to 26 hours, you've reached ketosis, and that is when your body goes through autophagy, which basically means your body feeding on your dead cells. I'm going to put the real definition on the screen, but basically that's what it means. And yeah, I believe my body is eating my fats today. That's how I know I'm going to be skinny by the end of this month. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope it was entertaining. And as always, don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I love you.